I left my phone in the house because it was about dead type shit. I get up this morning, go fishing, check me out. You feel what I'm saying? Check me out. Went in there, caught a few of them things this morning, early this morning. You feel what I'm saying? Early this morning. All right, first one. Next one. Let's see what was the next contestant to come up out this thing. We got another crappie. Another doggone crappie. Hey, come here. Come here. Crappie number 2. Alright, fish 3. We got another crappie. Yeah, calm down. Calm down. I said calm down. I said calm down. Yes, sir. I'm back right now. Alright, number 4. Hey. It's the bass. They want to act crazy off in here. Couple of them off in here. Come on, bass. Tell me I get this baby one first. Got the little baby bass. Him back off. Alright, next bass. It's some nice ass ones. They alright, little babies. There's another one right here. Another little bass right there. Get him back in there. Alright, another bass. We caught a few. We caught 4 bass. I ain't even think about how many we caught. We caught 4 bass. I thought we only had about 3 of them things off in there. There's another one right here. Get him back off in there. There you go. Alright, and the last one, the biggest one. The biggest, the largest. They get him out of here. He acting real nuts. Come on. I said, come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that's the bag for the morning, baby.